I'm Edmundo from Crawler Innovations. Something different today. We're out drifting, full size. We're at Cam's Raceway Park in Oklahoma. And you can see the weather in the background's coming in. We don't know how much longer we got tonight. It's Friday, 4th of July. Happy holiday to everybody. And we'll be back tomorrow, Saturday. We're gonna have a great time. Looking forward to sharing it with you. Peace.
I want to thank Cam's Acres for putting on this event. This is an amazing experience, so much fun. And if you're someone that has a full-size drift or even a RC drift, or if you're just curious and you want to know more about it, this is a great place to come out and have the opportunity to just, especially if you have your own helmet, you can go right along with someone as a passenger, no problem. So oftentimes it's just having your stuff so that you're prepared, and it'll open up opportunities for you at the racetrack whether or not you have the car or not. So a good mindset and an awesome place like this. This place was full of positivity. There was a lot of great people. We met a lot of new people, exchanged phone numbers, and there's so much media that's going to start to come out from this, from ourselves as well as other people. So yeah, I just thank you. Enjoying the beautiful sunset. Going to spend some time RCing, and we'll catch you on the next one. Double deuces.